Today we're going to make a holiday classic, coquito. Traditionally it's a Puerto Rican drink made around the holidays. Tastes heavily of coconut, made with Puerto Rican rum if you so desire. It's actually quite easy to make, and today we're going to go with a simple Goya recipe. If you simply Google Goya coquito, you'll find it right away. All the items that you need to make this drink are found in your local supermarket, either in the international aisle, the Latin American aisle, or the baking aisle. Sweetened condensed milk, evaporated milk, coconut milk, cream of coconut. You need a little bit of vanilla extract, ground cinnamon or cinnamon sticks. Again, check out that Goya recipe online. Of course, the star of the show is going to be Puerto Rican rum. Don Q or Don Q, made in Puerto Rico, is preferred, but Bacardi or whatever you have, that works too. 1 can of cream of cocoa. Unsweetened coconut milk. 2 cans of evaporated milk. Half cup of leche condensada. Tablespoon vanilla extract. Ground cinnamon to your liking. And the star of the show, Puerto Rican rum. It was a little light in the Don Q. Recipe says half cup, but it's really to your taste. I like to have a little bit of bite. Here we go. Gonna give it a quick taste. I think you use just a little more. Okay. Fill it up pretty high. Finally, you're ready to serve and drink. Make sure you shake it up. Un glass. Salud. Delicioso.